Everyone wants more money. But here's the catch. Let's be honest, we all want to earn more money. But if possible, we'd rather not kill ourselves doing it. Now, the usual advice? Be great at what you do, become the best, work harder than everyone else. But here's the thing. You don't have to be world-class at one thing to build wealth. There's a smarter way, a simpler way, one that still increases your earning potential massively without burning out. Let me explain. The harsh reality of the job market. In most careers, the top earners, the 1%, are incredibly skilled. They've mastered their craft, and in return, they're rewarded for it. Meanwhile, the rest, they either aren't as good or they've chosen paths society doesn't value as much. So they earn less, often a lot less. It's a pyramid, and the closer you are to the top, the better you're paid. So yeah, it makes sense to try and become one of the best in your field, right? That's what I thought too. The problem with chasing the top? The path to the top is brutal. It takes years of effort, total focus, full-on sacrifice. And in many industries, even being in the top 1% isn't enough. You've got to be in the top 0.01% to see real financial results. Take athletes, for example. The person who finishes fourth at the Olympics may be just a fraction of a second behind the gold medalist. But the money? Worlds apart. So yes, being the best pays off, but it's insanely hard. And for most people, it's not realistic. There's another way, talent stacking. Here's the good news. You don't have to be the best to do well. Instead of trying to become world-class at one thing, try this. Combine 2 or more decent skills and stack them. It's called talent stacking, a concept popularized by Dilbert creator Scott Adams. Scott wasn't a world-class artist or an elite writer, but he was pretty good at several things: drawing, business, writing, and humor. Individually, average. Combined, unique. And that's what made him successful. Why talent stacking works? Here's the truth. If you're just okay at one skill, you'll blend in. But if you combine 2 or 3 skills, even if you're not amazing at any of them, you instantly stand out. Because very few people can do that combination. And if you've ever seen someone make more money than you despite being less talented, chances are they stacked their skills better than you did. They didn't outwork everyone, they just connected the dots smarter. Learn just enough, then stack. You don't need a full degree to become good enough at a skill. Let's say you want to learn marketing. You could spend 4 years studying it at uni, or you could read 3 great books, take an online course, and practice for a few months. You won't be a marketing genius, but you'll be above average, and that's often more than enough. In the time it takes to master one skill, you can become good enough at 3. And together, those 3 could make you way more valuable than someone who's excellent at just one. What skills should you stack? Simple. Pick skills that transfer across multiple areas. Here are some great ones to start with. Clear communication and storytelling, psychology and human behavior, digital marketing or sales, writing and copywriting, time management, learning a second language, business and finance basics, design or visual thinking, video editing or animation, coding, or even just the basics. You don't need to master all of these. Just pick 2 or 3 that fit with what you already do and then build from there. Why business is the ultimate stacking skill? If there's one skill that boosts your earning power across the board, it's understanding business. Why? Because once you stop trading time for a fixed salary and start being paid for results or value, your income becomes scalable. Even if you're not the most skilled in your field, if you know how to sell, manage, delegate, and grow, you win. Think of business like a stack in itself. It includes negotiation, cash flow, risk, marketing, systems, leadership, all in one. And once you have that, you can apply it anywhere. Just like my mate who trained for football but crushed me at basketball. Flexibility is power. One more thing. The world is changing fast, and your industry could shift at any moment. If you've only got one skill and that becomes outdated, you're in trouble. But with a solid stack, you're adaptable. You can pivot. That's real security. That's how you stay relevant and valuable long term. The challenge. So here's a simple challenge. Look at your current skills. Ask yourself, what could I add that would make me more valuable? Pick one skill you can start learning this week. Spend 7 days diving into it. Books, courses, videos, practice. At the end of the week, even if you don't become an expert, you'll have more clarity. You'll know if it's something worth stacking with what you already do. Worst case, you learn something new. Best case, you unlock a path that could completely change your career. Either way, you win. My own talent stack. Real talk. Look at this channel. I'm not world class at any one thing. My animation's all right, my storytelling's decent, research and scripting solid but not elite. But when you stack it all together, you get something unique, something people enjoy, something that works. That's the power of talent stacking. Final words. You don't need to be the best in the world. But if you want to make more money, live more freely, and stand out, you do need to be strategic. Find your stack, build it, and don't wait for the perfect time. Start today, because that is the only way to be better than yesterday.
If this story lit a spark in you, that's not an accident. You're ready for more. I've built a free guide to help you take control of your path, the exact mindset and strategy we use to help creators, founders, and misfits design their own freedom. The link is in the bio.